Here is my updated cleaning closet tour. I switched out my cleaning caddy for these drawer organizers from the Dollar Tree, which contain my floor care attachments in the back and some backup cleaning supplies and accessories in the front. I added some hooks up top for my detail cleaning brushes, as well as hooks underneath here. The organizing solutions which have remained the same are my favorite broom hooks here. These clips which help keep my cleaning cloths easily accessible, as well as allowing them to dry in between uses. And my Lazy Susan, which contains all my homemade cleaning products, making them easily accessible. My previous video shows how I store all my homemade cleaning product ingredients. Don't forget to follow me or subscribe for more organizing and financial tips.